In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend data in Tableau in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a data analyst or someone diving into data visualization for the first time, this guide will walk you through the basics of data blending, ensuring you can bring together data from multiple sources seamlessly. First, you'll want to get started by launching Tableau on your device. Make sure it's properly installed and updated to the latest version so you can make use of all the available features. Once you have Tableau open, navigate to the top menu and select Data, then click on New Data Source. This is where you'll connect to your first set of data. You have a multitude of options here, so select the data source that you need, be it an Excel file, a SQL database, or other options available. Next, to work with multiple data sources, you'll need to add your subsequent data sources using the same steps. Tableau allows you to have various data connections, so you can pull information from more than one place. This capability is key to data blending, which involves comparing and visualizing datasets from more than one source. On a fresh worksheet, which you can open via the Worksheet tab, drag a field from the first data source you've added into the View area. This field will be the initial aspect of your visualization, making this data source your primary one. The primary data source is crucial because it sets the context and anchor point for your analysis. Now, handle the field from your secondary data source by dragging it onto the same worksheet. In doing so, Tableau will automatically designate this as the secondary data source. The blending process works by combining the visual understanding from the primary source with relevant data from your secondary source, enriching the analysis. Tableau intelligently attempts to find a common field, often referred to as the linking field or key, to join these two sets of data. This automatic action forms the core of effective data blending, ensuring your data sources communicate accurately. However, if you notice that the fields used for blending are not correct, or if you have a preferred linking field, Tableau provides you with the option to adjust this relationship manually. You'll find the Edit option conveniently located below your fields, letting you select the most suitable common fields between your datasets. And there you have it, data blending in Tableau. This technique is invaluable for comprehensive data analysis and visualization, allowing you to create more informed and engaging data stories. Practice these steps, experiment with your data sources, and see how blending can enhance your data insights.